Burb Files Midwest. We're going to finish tearing down this new body style Suburban. Going to rip the motor, tranny, transfer case, all that good stuff out of it. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? Just thought I'd make a quick little one here to show you. LS vehicles, new body style, Tahoe, trucks, Suburbans, all that. If you pull out the motor to do a swap and you're going to reuse the harness or send it off to have it shortened and cleaned up, don't get overwhelmed by the amount of wires that come into this electrical center fuse panel. It's all really easy if you just take these hot leads off these tall posts here. You can pop this forward, and all that holds all this together is a 7mm head bolt on each one of these clips, and they come right out of this fuse panel. And then in here, it's just all held in by either these plastic loom clips, or at the bottom these clip retainers you can slide out and just undo these harnesses, and it couldn't be easier. Don't get overwhelmed and start cutting stuff because you don't think you can get it apart. And you can just lay the computer over, lay your battery cables over, and you're ready to move on. New body style tear down, take two. Storm was brewing and the battery died, so we're gonna try this one more time. Let's try this again, round 3. I'm under a tornado warning until 11 o'clock tonight, which is another 3 hours. So it could get hairy, could get fun, but stick around. Had to cut it short last night. We had tornadoes all around us, but all the burbs, and we made it through. So we'll get back at it today. We're gonna finish yanking the motor and stuff out of that new body style right there. So stay tuned.
When I saw its West Side Story, when I saw it's just alright. When I saw its West Side Story, when I saw.
Tech tip for you guys. You guys pulling the LS truck motor. If you look here in the front of the passenger side head, there's usually a bolt hole open. I put a chain there. And then on the driver's side rear, where you can see the fuel rail, the stock fuel rail, which is here with the silver cap. It has a tab that runs back to a hole in the backside of that head, and I'll put another chain there. It keeps you from having to take any of the top end of the motor off. You can do it with everything still attached. It keeps the chain off the coils and really anything that's too important. I haven't had an issue doing it this way, and I've pulled out probably 10 of them. So that's a tech tip for you.
It's just alright. Hey man. just a ride. Just a ride. What I saw is West Side Story. What I saw is just a ride. What I saw is West Side Story. What I saw is just a ride, just a ride, just a ride.
Hey guys, got a tech tip for you. If you do something stupid like tear the motor and the electrical system out before you take the seats out that you want, there is light at the end of the tunnel. I'd use this, just a cheap trickle charger, which provides 12 volts. Then you pull out the seat connector from under the seat, and you'll have on the driver side there is a red and 2 black. On the passenger there was just 1 red, 1 black. Hook them up to your corresponding terminals, and you should have some juice. Here I just went with the thicker ground. The thicker ground wire of the two, and that'll allow me to get what I need to get. The rear seat bolts are E14 socket size. They're pretty darn big, and they're in there pretty damn tight, as you can see.
You should put a GoFundMe link in these videos so you can get a real impact.
So, if you don't roll these seats forward to get an impact on those, they are a nightmare to get out with a socket. So, I suggest you put the seat forward.
With us, so it's just a ride. With us, so it's just a ride.